So check out this system. It's a magnetic quick changing system and the quickest I have seen. You take this plate and you put it on your GoPro, and you have a mounting system you can put with a lanyard and 2 others that can go on, well, any GoPro mount. So right now I have it on the GoPro, and check it out. It doesn't actually mess with the battery door. It'll also work with a media mod, maybe just off slightly, and it will also work with some Ulanzi cases as well, just in case you need it with a microphone. So I actually have the lanyard right here, and then I can easily switch it off to this selfie stick. And then I can easily switch it to my helmet cam. Wow. Because a lot of times you'll see people that hike, they'll have a camera here, they'll have a camera here, they'll have one on a selfie stick. This is so much easier to just, okay, I want this shot, so I'm gonna go over here, and then now I want this shot, so I'm gonna go up here. It's a lot more cost effective when you look at it that way. And these magnets are really good and really strong. It takes a lot to pry them off, so I would trust them to hold on a lot of circumstances. So you can actually put this on anything metal as well, and they include this little rubber pad, so if you want to put it on your car without damaging it, you can. And you can take the lanyard side and put it on one side of a window, and the snap mount will actually hold with the window in between. I want to test the magnet on the car, because this has been a fear, really, being able to trust it. I'll put one of these little ropes on here just in case. It works great. I mean, I was going up pretty high speeds, it didn't change at all, and I was never one to really trust those suction cup things either. So let me tell you, they have a phone holder for this as well. I mean, it's basically a phone holder with a GoPro mount at the bottom. What I loved about this is I took this into the city and I looked over and I saw these girls like fiddling with their jobby tripods and other tripods just to try to get the best shot. And I just walked right up to the handrail and just popped it on there, and it stayed really, really solid. And I got this great sunset time lapse of the city, and it also has a cold shoe on the top so you can put a light or a microphone. It also has a screw thread here, so if you want to put anything else, you can have all the stuff on there, and it's just like, all right, let's go to another mount here. That's gonna be a bit weird. What?